Hello, my name is Aisha and I'm the People and Culture Director at Zen. Diversity and inclusion is an important part of our people strategy, and we're passionate about creating a more balanced and diverse workforce where all of our people feel included and able to be themselves at work. We have a number of diversity and inclusion networks at Zen focused on providing support, raising awareness, taking proactive action to improve diversity. Our Women in Tech group are focused on improving gender balance and getting more women into technical and also leadership roles. So I hope you enjoy listening to some of the stories from our fantastic women at Zen. Thank you.
Some of the practical changes that we've made since setting up the Women in Tech group are that we are working really hard to attract more women to Zen to start with, and to try and make female students realise that a role and a career in technology is within their reach, and it's a really enjoyable place to be working as well. So what we're doing is we're partnering up with an organisation called The Bridge, which does what it says it does. It acts as a bridge between local schools or schools in the Greater Manchester area and employers. And what we're doing is we're working with them to give female students the chance to come in, see what we're about, hear about the roles, sort of demystify what roles we've got available, so that when they're making their choices, they think, oh, I think I might go for a role in technology. I mean, hopefully they'll come to Zen too, but ultimately, the more women we've got in technology, the better. We've worked closely with other members of the Women in Tech group to challenge unconscious bias at the recruitment stage. So to do that, we've produced a mini toolkit for managers that they've got access to at any time. Just before they do any recruitment, we say, oh, have a look at the manager's toolkit. And in that is a section specifically on unconscious bias, what it is, how to be aware of it, how to overcome it even. And this is all part of increasing diversity in the teams, and of course, improving the chances of women coming to Zen, joining us at Zen. They've also got access to a really good tool that helps them analyse the language that they use in the job spec, so they can tell whether it's biased towards men or women based on the language that you use in it. And of course, from our perspective, we want all our job specs to appeal to women just as much as they do to men. And I've been really pleased by how our managers at Zen have embraced that, and they're really open to all these new ideas. They're trying them out. So all of our adverts now are not biased towards men based on the language they use. We're also reviewing the images that we use on the website, and just the look and the feel of the adverts themselves, all with a view of attracting more women to Zen. A really important thing that we're doing within the resource team is supporting women before, during and after periods of family leave. So I'm thinking particularly of maternity and adoption leave here, and listening to women who've been through that process, hearing about how what improvements we might make to that process, what insights they can give us to ensure that people feel, one, that they can take family leave without it impacting on their careers at Zen. Two, that they're supported, they feel part of the team, and that when they get back at the end, that they can seamlessly continue their career. They've not missed out on any opportunities, and that they continue to have great opportunities and great careers at Zen.